Evening all, Remarks here, back again with another video, back again with a VIVE COSMOS video. And this headset came today from Amazon, purchased with my own money. Technically not out until tomorrow, but Amazon kindly delivered it a little bit early. This is the best part of £700, this headset. So it's pricey. But we've got Ethan with me at the moment because he basically is at secondary school now. He's come home early. Well, I say early, his school's finished, so he's come home. And rather than kicking him off upstairs, he's just as excited about VR as I am. So we're going to check it out together. Give a quick sort of unboxing of what it all is. So there's the box. Pretty cool looking box actually. Nice little handle on top. Not much on any other side other than stuff about Vive port on the back there. And nothing on the bottom. There is a rip part here, but I wonder if we can just take off this. Yeah, we'll just take that off rather than ripping that bit off. And then you've got a white box. Nothing really fancy on here. Just other than the Vive logo. A little tab there. Oh, we do have a plastic thing that we need to get into. It's a void seal. We've now voided it. Means we've opened it. I suppose those sort of things can't be enforced, supposedly, in the EU anyway. And there we go. So then we've got the blue bit. Oh, it says download and setup. So basically once you can do all the setup before you do it. We're not going to do that, are we?
Nope.
We're just going to dive in and take a look. So let's try and get this in a reasonable position.
It's got a cool little logo on.
In the box, that's how it comes. Lots of packaging, lots of paper. So let's grab the headset to start with. There's the cable, there's the headset. We'll change the camera angle and get some close-up views of this in a second. Move that off to one side. And you've got a little thing there. Is there anything in this little box? Or is that just an empty little box? It's an empty little box.
The random little box.
Yep. And then we've got the controllers. A little flap here.
They're massive.
These are the controllers. Oh, they are chunky,
They
aren't
look
they?
so cool. Oh,
Like-
they're so cool.
So the tribal controllers. Sort of the rock controllers, I call them. Because they look like his tattoos or something, don't they? Then we've got another box with a load of accessories inside it. We'll go through a quick closer look at those in a second.
It's got an extra trigger.
And some instructions. And that's all you get inside the box. So here we go. Let's have a closer look at the headset. So here it is in its plastic glory. And
Oh, bubble wrap.
boom! Bubble wrap around the headphones. So it has kind of built-in headphones. So unlike the Rift, so Ethan, when he's been coming home, he's been, as a treat, he'll do his homework and then he gets to play VR. So he's either been playing on the Rift S or a little bit of Quest. I think for the most part it's been the Rift S because you've been wanting to play Gorn. And you can play Gorn on this. Maybe one day Gorn will come to the Quest, or obviously we've got the Quest Link, which will allow us to play PC VR games.
Oh, this just fell out.
But there we go. Oh, what was that? Covering the lenses. So there's the headset. It's got 6 cameras on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that's pretty cool. You've got a clicky button there. Looks like some sort of status indicator on that side. On the bottom, I assume that's where the microphone is. And here's one of the cool things about this headset is, look, it flips up. So when you're wearing it, you can go, oh, I want to see outside. Oh, I want to carry on. There you go. So it's got a nice band on there. Nice logo. That's pretty cool.
Can I put it on?
You can put it on in a second. We'll just give everyone a nice close-up view of it. So you got the headphones there, slides up and down, moves left and right. I believe you can just unclip that and they can actually come off if you want to.
Oh my god.
There's actually sort of a 3.5mm jack there as well, so you can actually just take those off and put your own headphones in if you really wanted to. What else we got? As I say, nice long cable. It is a proprietary cable on the end here because it goes into a link box the same as the Vive headsets. And then you do have the Halo strap where you kind of twist this bit here to make it tighter
What do you mean a
and
Halo
looser.
strap?
That's what they call this kind of head strap here. This kind of circle strap that sits on the
I
top.
thought you meant the game Halo.
No. And then if we look inside here, the actual head strap itself, so this bit here is like a rubber padding. So it's padded rubber at the back there and at the front on the head bit. So for me, where I'm kind of thinking about using this potentially for a sort of VR arcade, that's good because that's wipeable, doesn't suck in all the sweat, which is nice. However, the front foam is foam, so it will suck in all the sweat.
Wait,
Although it is on with Velcro, so you could easily get just some replacement bits for there and there. It's a little sort of cover there on the little proximity sensor. Let's take that off.
Wouldn't that be a little bit annoying, right, if your sweat was like dripping down your face? I was trying to be.
It depends how. Well, you take a second to take it off and wipe your brow, don't you?
Oh.
Rather, your sweat's got to go somewhere. I'd rather it not soak into the headset itself.
Yeah, me neither, because I don't want to break it.
But there you go. That's a pretty cool looking headset. And I do like how it looks. Front panel comes off as well, I believe.
I stuck the
I'm
stickers
not sure if I really want to sort of pull it off just yet. I'll have a little play of pulling that off. But you can add a different sort of face panel on here to have sort of outside in tracking, as it were, with sensors, rather than this one actually tracks itself. So let's have a closer look at the controllers. So headset off to one side. Let's move over here.
If you want to keep the stickers, don't stick them together. You can't get them off.
So here's the controllers. Supposedly, some people have only had sort of 2 hours battery life out of a pair of batteries because it uses two AA batteries, double AA. So in there, double AA. Clips in, doesn't magnetize on or anything like that. So that may come off or not. The triggers and everything are buttons. So whereas with sort of a Rift or a Quest controllers, they're like sort of pull in slightly buttons. These are all proper buttons. Although they feel quite nice. It's nice and chunky.
It's massive.
Is it too big for your hand though, Boo?
No, it's not too big for my hand. Like, I can still access everything.
Yeah.
It's just massive.
It's just different, isn't it? Yeah, you got.
I've got to get used to it.
Is that finger goes in there, middle finger goes there, or do I pull that up
Your
to bring that
middle
up and then
finger is supposed to
weirdly
go on the
press with that one?
I use my middle finger on the.
Yeah, I probably would as well.
These two on.
So you have to use the pointer finger for those two. Yeah, so quite nice. Got X and Y, same on the other controller as well. This kind of pattern is pretty cool. I mean, these will catch people's attentions, especially if I use them in the arcade. Use these controllers. I think that would definitely catch people's attention as they were kind of walking by, see somebody playing with controllers that light up like this. But if they're churning through batteries, we're going to have to test that. So we shall see. What else we've got in this box? Some other accessories. So the link box. I know the power adapter even, because it does need power for itself. So bear that in mind. It doesn't just power off PC like a Quest. Not like a Quest, like a Rift. You've also got, imagine in here is the link box. So everything links into here. The headset plugs into this there, and then links out to different ports that goes off to your PC. So USB, DisplayPort, and the DC power goes in there. And I'll chuck whatever that is. Oh, nice four batteries for the controller. Hopefully it lasts more than 2 hours. They say that some people have said these batteries in these only last 2 hours. I'd like to think it's going to last a bit better than that. And then a couple of short cables from the link box to your PC. And then a little cloth, a little microfiber cloth. Nice to get one of those for free. I don't think we got one of those free with the Quest, so we are paying a premium for this headset, so you'd hope we'd have it for free. So Ethan, are you going to be the first one of us to put this headset on? See how it fits? It's taking your glasses off. Well, granted, we've got the whole wire off to one side, so you should be able to, if we undo this at the back a little bit, put that down like that, and tighten it in. And then
so well cool.
And then like that.
Oh my
then you've got dedicated headphones, because the audio in the Rift S isn't amazing. So having sort of dedicated headphones will be quite nice. And you should be able to flip it up, Ethan. Do you want to flip the front up?
Pow!
Pa-pow! And you can see what's going on, check your phone, check his text messages from his girlfriend.
Shut up.
And, get back to VRing. So we're going to have to test this out, give it a proper try, give it a proper go. Check out the channel for other kind of updates and reviews on this as we do test it out. I will be paying particular attention to how it would work in a VR arcade scenario, because if you don't know, I am starting my own VR arcade in the city that I live in. So if you want to find out more about that, if you want to support it, you want to get your name on the wall, you can do. You can go to gofundme.remarkers.com, donate there, and your name will go on the wall in my arcade when I set it up. And then I'll post some videos down below where you can kind of see more sort of progress on that. But that's why I've been so busy the last few weeks, where I haven't been putting out so many videos. I've been doing that. But I'm kind of interested. I got this so I could actually have a closer look at it. It's nice that Amazon have sent it a day early. Thank you, Amazon.
Thank you, Amazon.
But I did pay for it. They didn't send it free. No one sent it for free. I've had to pay full price for it. but it should be an exciting device. I'm excited to give it a go.
So
I've never actually tried a Vive in my home environment before. I've been places and had to go quickly on a Vive, so having a Vive Cosmos with the better resolution screens and sort of all the adjustments that it's got going on should be pretty cool, and I'm excited to try it. So if you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down. That's fine. We're big enough and ugly enough to take it. But do let me know in the comments down below why you didn't like it. We'll try and do better for next time. Be cool, one of the remarkables. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified when I next upload a video. That's me done. I'm out. Have a virtual high five.